Hi Year 6, welcome to your first home learning maths video. Today we're going to be recapping formal written methods for column addition, so hopefully this will give you some tips and reminders for your learning at home, but I want to keep your eyes peeled throughout this video because I'm going to be making some mistakes and it's your job to spot them. So one of the most important things when lining up your column addition is to make sure your place value is correct, so making sure you've got your thousands lined up with your thousands, your hundreds with your hundreds and so on. And a good tip is to read these numbers out loud to check your place value. So here we've got 2,564 plus 5,730. You must always start with your smallest place value in column addition. So here it's the 1, so 4 plus 3 is 7. Move to your 10, 60 add 10 is 70, but you can look at it like 6 add 1 because you've lined up your place value correctly. 5 add 7 is 12, so you put the 2 here and the 1 underneath the thousands column because you can't put 2 digits in one column. 2 plus 5, and don't forget to add on that 1. Altogether you've got 8,277. So have a go at laying out this column addition, checking the place values correct and reading out the numbers. Then pause this video and try and work it out yourself and see what answer you get. So start with my ones. 4 add 8 is 12, so I'm going to put the 2 in the ones column and push the 1 under the tens. 6 add 5 add 1 is 12 again. So I'll do the same thing. 2 add 1 is 4. 5 add 6 is 11, so I'm going to put the 11 there. 3 add 1 is 4. Is this correct? Well done if you spotted my mistake. You cannot put 2 digits in one column. So you should have put the 1 in the thousands column and pushed the other one into the tens of thousands column, added that up. So well done if you got 51,422. So moving on to some column addition with decimal numbers, it's exactly the same, but make sure your place value lines up. You might want to draw in your decimal points at the start to make sure you don't make any mistakes, and then just write in your numbers as before. Once you've written out your column addition, pause the video and have a go. So remember to always start with your smallest place value, which is your thousandths column here. You might draw some dotted zeros in to help. 1 add 0, 1, 2 add 0, 2. 5 plus 8 is 13, so you put 3 in this column and jump over that decimal point, put the 1 underneath the ones. 6 plus 2 plus 1 is 9, 1 plus 1 is 2, so well done if you got 29.321. So have a go at writing this one out, making sure your place value is correct. Pause the video and see what answer you get. So make sure you're watching to check for any mistakes. So 5 add 0 is 5, 4 add 2 is 6, 0 add 4 is 0, 2 add 6 is 8, and 0 add 1 is 1. Is this correct? Well done if you spotted my mistake. 0 add 4 is not 0, it is 4, so you should have got 184.65. So let's have a look at missing gap problems. Here we've got something, take away 1025 is 264. We can draw a bar model to help. We know that the 264 plus the 1025 equals whatever our missing answer is. Now you've worked out what to do, you just need to perform your column addition, and if you want to, you can slot it back into the gap to check your answer. So here's another column addition for you to have a go at. See if you can lay it out correctly and pause the video to have a go. So I'm starting my smallest place value column. 0 plus 2 is 2, 4 plus 2 is 6, 2 plus 6 is 8, 0 plus 4 is 4, 1 plus 0 is 1, 9 plus 3 is 12, so I'm going to put my 1 here, 2 underneath. The 6 add on that 2 is 8, then we've got the 5 and the 2. Is this correct? Well done if you noticed my mistake. 903 is 12, but I wrote it as 21 by putting the 2 underneath instead of the 1. So a big well done if you got 2,572,148.62. Great job. Well done for being a marvellous mathematician and practising your column addition as well as spotting some of my mistakes. Have a look on the school website for a worksheet and some challenge problems to help you with your learning at home.